Unlock the power of your Sony A7 IV to create stunning Instagram reels that will captivate your audience. Let's dive into optimizing your Sony A7 for social media content creation. First things first, we need to nail the aspect ratio. For reels, the ideal aspect ratio is 9:16, while the A7 IV primarily shoots in a standard 3:2. We'll handle this during editing. For now, let's set our recording aspect ratio to 16:9. Navigate to your main menu. Then under the Recording tab, find Aspect Ratio and select 169. This gives us a full vertical frame to work with. Precision is key, so we'll be shooting in manual mode. This gives you complete control over your exposure. For smooth, cinematic footage, a good starting point for your shutter speed is 1/60th of a second. This syncs with most video frame rates. Adjust your aperture to control depth of field, while a wider aperture like f/28 for a pleasing blurry background, or a narrower one for more sharpness. Keep your ISO as low as possible, typically 100 or 200, to minimize digital noise. When it comes to shooting techniques, think about your movement. Smooth pans and subtle camera movements will make your reels more dynamic. Avoid jerky motions. Consider using a gimbal for incredibly stable footage, especially if you're walking or moving around. This will elevate the professional feel of your content. For the best quality and flexibility in editing, shoot in 4K resolution. A frame rate of 30 frames per second is a great balance between smooth motion and manageable file sizes. It also allows for subtle slow motion effects if you shoot at a higher frame rate. Now, for the editing magic, import your 169 footage into your preferred editing software, like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Create a new sequence or project with a 9:16 aspect ratio. Simply drag your 169 footage onto the 916 timeline. You'll see black bars on the sides now. Scale your clip up until it fills the entire vertical frame. You might need to reframe some shots slightly to ensure your subject stays centered. Enhance your visuals with color grading. Adjust contrast, saturation, and white balance to make your footage pop. Add engaging text overlays, appropriate music, and smooth transitions to make your reels truly shine. Export your final video in the correct format, ready to upload directly to Instagram. Now go out there and start creating.